Welcome to Lazy Luxury. Lazy Luxury is all about beauty, fashion, glamour, and lifestyle. The reason I decided to create my channel with these four subjects in mind is because these are the subjects that are extremely close to my heart. Please, to help this channel grow, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Without further ado, I am going to jump into the review of a product that I bought with my personal money from Fendi. As you can see here, it came in this gorgeous yellow box. It has the name Fendi Roma on the front. It also came with this envelope. On the inside of this envelope, it has a return label. So for any reason, if I don't like this handbag, I can just return it within 14 days. No questions asked. This is just a thank you note from Fendi. Last but not the least, this is my invoice. In case you didn't know, Fendi is an Italian fashion house designer. They've been in business for a very long time. They are known for their high-end, sophisticated products. They produce menswear, women's wear, children's wear, you name it, they produce it. I am going to take this bag out of this box for you guys to see. So the bag came in this dust bag, and of course you can see the Fendi Roma on the front of the dust bag. And this is the Fendi Sunshine shopper tote handbag. It comes in the color white and the size is medium. It is made in Italy, and of course this bag is made with 100% leather. It has a strap, so you can wear this bag on your shoulder if you choose to. The strap is detachable. I'm just gonna detach the strap and show you guys how long it is. It is 90 centimeters long, and it has two clips, one on each side, of course. It came in a gold finish color. I'm going to take out the paper wrap to show you the inside. The bag still has the label attached to it. It has this spacious internal compartment, and it is fully lined. I hope you can see up close. It doesn't have any internal or like a zipper pocket on the inside. It's just this one compartment. The plexiglass handle is really elegant. On each side of the handle, you can see the Fendi logo. The FF, one F is upside down. Same on the back of the handle. It has this beautiful stitching. Bring it to you up close. Same as on the back of the handbag. I just love the Fendi hot star motif, as you can see on the front. It really gives this bag, or makes this bag, a statement piece. I love that. Nobody has to tell you or ask you which designer bag are you carrying, because you have that gorgeous, beautiful motif on the front. This bag looks simple yet sophisticated, and that's what I love very much about this bag. It doesn't have any foot on the bottom. To me, that's okay. I don't have no problem with that. And then, like I said, it only has this internal compartment. You could get you a handbag organizer, one that would fit on the inside if you choose to. Personally, I'm okay the way the bag is. This bag comes in different colors and different sizes, and you can purchase this bag from most of the major retailers like Neiman Marcus, Saks Fifth Avenue, Bloomingdale's, Bergdorf Goodman, and so on. If you buy this bag and you don't like it for any reason, you have 14 days to return the bag without any question asked. If I were to rate this bag, I would give this bag a 5 on 5. I think this bag is a statement piece. It's elegantly done. I don't have no complaints, no issue with this bag at all. I am looking forward to rocking this bag as much as I can. So let me see what you guys think. Leave me a comment in the section below. I will try my best to answer each and every question. If there's any product that you guys want me to review, please let me know as well in the comment section below. And please stay tuned for more videos. I am going to be working on some very interesting products, so please stay tuned for those. Again, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with all your friends. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my upcoming videos. Thank you again.